This recording will now start. On your smartphone, connect to a Wi-Fi network whose name starts with Thinkware.
Hey guys, welcome back to Automotive Superstore. What we're going to go through today is how to turn off that introductory message on your Thinkware Dash Cam. So what I'm going to do here is we're going to screen record this so you can follow along step by step. Once your dash cam is powered on, we're going to make sure Wi-Fi is turned on, head over to settings, pop into Wi-Fi and look for Thinkware. Wait for it to connect and it will ask you to either enter the default password, or if you've already set this up before, put in your custom password. Once that's done, we're going to hop over to the Thinkware Cloud app. We're going to put this video up here so you can follow along. So now that your dash cam's connected, we're going to go to dash cam settings, system settings, and we're going to turn that volume down to 0. What this will do is it's going to turn off that introductory message every time you hop into your car. But if you have any of the high-end Thinkware dash cams, either the F770, Q800 Pro or the U1000, and you have safety camera features turned on, you will still get all your speed and red light camera notifications every time you enter the zone. And if you have any other safety features or warnings turned on, that will still be available to you. So that pretty much wraps up our short video today on how to turn off that introductory message on your Thinkware dash cam. Let us know in the comment section below if you have any further questions or what else you'd like to see. And make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.